Hey guys, RPM here. Hope you're doing well. Having another great day. Just unplugged my L7 because it's too loud, and I also have to get ready as I'm gonna be painting the floor here. So I'm gonna be moving basically everything you see here out. Gonna be repainting the floor, just another coat, as I ran out of paint, you may have noticed, on this side, so I just had to do this side. Anyways, this L7, as I hear this thing upstairs in my new house, new location here, it's probably better that I bring this to my crypto mining basement, the other mining location I have, as the sound doesn't really matter over there. And some of you guys know I have an E9 and a Bitcoin S19 XP over there as well. So I'm gonna bring this over there, and then I'm gonna be mining this full time on Dogecoin. Some of you guys may have saw that video recently. And so later in this video, I'll let this mine for a couple days, and then we'll see how much Dogecoin that we have mined using Unmineable, where it'll mine Litecoin, merge mine Dogecoin, and then I guess it'll auto exchange the Litecoin into Dogecoin. So we'll compare my results, as I have been using this on litecoinpool.org. So we'll see how Unmineable does on this L7. So guys, I'm just gonna move this to the crypto mining basement right now. And some of you guys may be asking, Red Panda, what are you going to put here instead? Well, I have some ideas, but first I need to get a shelf pretty much right in the center here under my networking and 240 volt 30 amp plug right here. In the future, I do plan on adding another 30 amp 240 volt here as well. So I'll have at least two by 240 volt 30 amp PDUs, which I can have essentially 60 amps or 80% rule, at least around 48 amps at 240 volts at the 80% rule. So that'll be later on. I will get a shelf here, and then we're gonna bring over a lot of GPUs. All right, we're gonna bring over GPUs, and we're gonna try to do it in open air rigs. I think I promised that a long time ago, and we'll see how that fares in my basement right now, because it's cold. All right, it's generally cold, and I don't have a thermometer here right now, but you guys know it's winter time and it's snowing outside, so I'm definitely gonna have to get some heat in here pretty soon. So I'll bring those GPUs in another video. Anyways, I'll see you guys in my crypto mining basement. Get this plugged in. All right, here's the L7. Just moved it over here to my crypto mining basement. It's been a while since I feel like I haven't vlogged here in a while. But anyways, guys, I have actually turned off all of my GPU mining rigs at this moment, because since I'm gonna be turning on this L7, I'm gonna be utilizing, I guess, another 3,400 watts. So I have designated already one PDU for the S19 XP. And so now this one, which I used to have majority of my GPUs, you know, that were mining various coins and Caspa and whatnot. I think Caspa is no longer profitable because of the FPGAs, and I think maybe the price. Anyways, I'm gonna put the L7 on this dedicated 240 volt 30 amp PDU. Well, it's actually 232 volt. Anyways, so I'm gonna need to plug in two C13, C14 cables, and if anyone's interested, these are from infinitecables.com, and you guys can see the other side here goes into the PDU, C13 to C14. I'll have a link down below in case anyone is interested. Okay, let's plug it in now. All right, the cables are in. Now we need to plug it into the PDU. It's probably gonna turn on. but we need also the internet Ethernet cable. I'm just gonna take from my 6700 XT rig. I'll probably have to plug another one in later. Okay. It sounds like it's ramping up now. Alright, so now I'm just gonna log into it, set Unmineable, and we'll see how much Dogecoin we have mined in the next, I don't know, 2 days or something. I'll see you guys in the computer. Alright guys, so it's been about 2.5 days and I've gotten looks like almost 2 full payouts from Unmineable, .com. So I've pointed my L7 to Unmineable, as you guys can see here. And you may notice this referral code. It's actually not mine. I'm using Mr. Brandon Coin's referral code. He actually has a video how to mine Dogecoin on any computer. And so I just copied his referral code because here is where it will knock off 0.25% of the mining fee. So normally it would be 1% fee, but once you enter in a referral code, then you'll knock off 0.25. Some of you guys may ask, Red Panda, how do you connect your L7 to Unmineable? And well, it's very easy. I'll link this down below. Unmineable has a how-to setup here, basically for script, right? For your L7s or any Litecoin ASICs. And yeah, you just basically point the URL to the script.unmineable.com, and then you put your coin, your address, and then .worker name. Very easy to do on an ASIC miner. And then if you want to get that 0.25% off, you just do a number sign and then Brandon Coin's referral code, which is J4PI-97HP. So that's what I put in right after the worker name, number sign, and then the referral code. So that's it. Then you'll get that 0.25 knocked off. Okay, so guys, let's go through here. How much have I earned in Dogecoin? Okay, so on Unmineable here, it's mining to Doge. Okay, so what the Litecoin and then merge mine Dogecoin, it is, I'm sure, exchanging the Litecoin into Dogecoin for you automatically. So the first day on December 3rd, I got 290 Dogecoin. So if we go to CoinGecko here, I just want to put in 290. So that's about almost $31 USD. And then the next day here, I got 260. So that was a full day. So let's put in 260 here. That would be about 27.73 USD, all right, as of now. So obviously, I've only done it for the past 2 days. Looks like the first day was pretty good. The second day was not as hot. But just to also go back to when I was recording the video of the last day of mining Litecoin on litecoinpool.org, right? It would auto exchange the Dogecoin into Litecoin. So here I was getting 0.3937 the past 24 hours, all right, before. So if I put that in here, so that'd be worth about $32.7 USD. So definitely a little bit more than the first day that I got paid on Unmineable, but pretty close nonetheless. But if we were to kind of, go back and just check here, the profitability on ASIC miner value for an L7. Mine is the 9.3 gigahash model. So right now it's showing that this is making income of about $30.17 a day. And then after electricity, about $23.60. So my 9300 megahash version should be, maybe 31, 32 or something, because it has a little bit more megahash than this 9.16 gigahash, right? So I'm going to say though, it does seem kind of underwhelming thus far. Maybe I'm kind of deterred by the 1% fee or the 0.75% fee versus on litecoinpool.org, they have a 0% PPS fee. So I don't know if I feel like I'm getting that FOMO feeling or, fear of missing out, right? I feel like I want to go back and mine to litecoinpool.org, right? I still have my other 2 little ASICs on there, LT Lite and the Mini Doge Pro, mining on litecoinpool.org. And yeah, I do miss my L7 on litecoinpool.org. This was pretty cool. But like I said in that video, I'm doing it, right? This is where I want to mine Dogecoin full time and just believe that it could potentially go up a lot in price in the future. That's basically what I made that video on just a couple days ago, right? And now we see that Unmineable is a solid way. I think it's a solid way. I think there is definitely a little bit of a disparity here, and maybe, in terms of its, trading and converting and all that stuff into Dogecoin, they probably take even more of a, a spread, right? Depending on where they're trading it or something. That's why seeing a pretty big difference here. But yeah, it seems like I'm generally getting almost, if not the same. But I'm going to say generally, it just depends also on the network difficulty. Litecoin, the network hash rate also continues to go up and up and up. It does seem down as of recording, like a little bit, but really not that much. It was like 626 terahash before, which is quite a bit. And now it's hovering around 586 as of recording. So that is, yeah, wow, that is a huge drop off. There must be a mining farm that maybe they couldn't pay for their electric or unable to keep going in mining. And, you know, we've been seeing a lot of mining farm capitulations recently and a lot of bankruptcy, you know, all that kind of stuff. So maybe, you know, some big farms have been turning off in terms of their Litecoin. And so that might be okay then. That might be good for those that are mining Litecoin right now, as then you'll still be okay in getting the yield and versus I guess the dollar value. Litecoin has also been going up recently as of the past, I don't know, past day or so here, from $77 to 83. That's a nice little jump up here for Litecoin. All right, guys, that's it. That's all I wanted to show. Let me know your thoughts on if I should just stick with Unmineable. And like I said, I just wanted to mine Dogecoin straight and just see, you know, in a year how much Dogecoin we have and wait till that run up, the next Bitcoin cycle. If, you know, that will bring up all the other altcoins such as Dogecoin, and maybe we can get our money back and then some, theoretically, right? Just a theoretical play here, because Crypto Miner Bros sent it to me, and I'm doing this as just a way to see which way could be the best. Obviously, I only have one of these L7s, so I wish I had like maybe a couple more. I could do one on litecoinpool.org, then one on Dogecoin Unmineable here, and maybe one on another pool or something, and just see, you know, which one would work out. Or maybe use Unmineable and mine to not only Doge, but use the script algo to mine into, I don't know, Algorand, Cardano, or like all these other coins that could be possible, wanting to mine to any of these coins, which is could be a good thing or could be a bad thing, as it could all just go to zero. Who knows? All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Let me know your thoughts. Have a good one. Peace out.